Hey there, Triangle Health Center. Listen, I want to give you a little table talk for the day. Questions I'll oftentimes ask at the table, or I want to ask to all of you. And listen, my question is this. The average person in America sees a chiropractor for 7 visits. Why does a person only see a chiropractor for 7 visits? One, you're out of pain may have been your answer. Your insurance only covers 7 to 10 visits. They felt better. They felt worse. That's about it. Most people are not educated on what real chiropractic is and what the intention behind it is. Because they're just, most people are just thinking, well, my insurance will cover a few and then I'm done, but is it insurance's job to get you healthy? And what if you need more than 7 to actually correct your problem? Number 2 is, just because you don't have pain, does that mean your nerve system's corrected? Just because you do have pain, does that mean it's not working? No, all of those things can mean that it's exactly working, and if you've been under care for anything longer, especially if you're in your first 2 to 4 weeks, you're experiencing some symptoms and some pain. So the reality is I want to educate you to understand what you're doing every time you lay on this table, and that's correcting the neurology of your body. It's not just about your symptom, if you have it or don't have it. It's not what insurance will or will not pay for. Your nervous system and your neurology in your body must function and flow at 100%. If your spine is in the proper position, it can do it. If it's not, it cannot. And so we're removing subluxation so that can happen. So most people in our office have been here over a year. That's the average. I've looked at the average. Over a year is the average patient you see in the office. Why? Because they're correcting neurology. Once it's corrected, what do they want to do? Stay that way. They want to stay that way the rest of their life and never go back. And so that's where lifetime neurological, lifetime adjustment, lifetime chiropractic care comes into place. So don't be the average American for 7 visits, because you're going to get the average American health care, and that's sick, suffering on more drugs. And here, very different, all the testimonials, all the life change we have, that's because we're committed to a lifetime of chiropractic care.